On some DMX shit, I group on my exes. I tell them they belong to me, that goes on for forever. And I think we just get closer when we not together. You tell me that I'm confusing, more immature than Marcus Houston. Cuts too deep for a band-aid solution. We too deep in this thing, you never lose me.
Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with C. Now, I cook every other day, so we probably gonna be getting these episodes. Like, should I start a channel at this point? Because we getting the vids. We busting them vids out. Today we making ground beef. We making empanadas. Why did I do that? I just spilled it. We making empanadas. Okay, and if in case you didn't know, I'm low-key Spanish and I know how to speak it and I know how to cook it. So period. Don't who gonna tell me.
That was cute. Nice way to carry on.
So yes, that's what we're doing today. So I already got my pan on the stove. I'm about to put the ground beef in there and y'all gonna see the process. It's pretty tedious, it's annoying. I hate making empanadas, but it just be tasting so good, so I'm about to do that. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so of course we're gonna start by cutting the onion. Like, if you're not having onion in your food, what are you doing? I pretty much put onion in everything, so that's what I'm doing, chopping the onion. And here go your ingredients, seasonings, everything you're going to use. Definitely need that sazon, that sofrito if you want it to be, you know, español. So here I am seasoning everything to my liking. Don't under-season, y'all. You going to need that seasoning, okay, mama? And, yeah, so we going to season. Add that sofrito in. I added some and I tasted it. So don't be scared to taste test your food, y'all. I taste tested it. And I see that I needed to add some more. And that sofrito is the key to your empanadas. You need that, okay? So I'm going to cover it, let it sit and marinate for a while. And I'm going to grate my cheese. So this is a sharp cheddar cheese I'm using. I only put cheese in half of them. And this is an empanada disc that I use. I usually use a different brand, but I see Goya got them now, so why not? I'm a Goya girl. So I get the one with anato. They have one that's like orangish, which is the one I got, and they have one that looks more white. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know what anato is. I actually got to look that up, but I just know that one tastes better than the plain white one. So here I am adding my cheese, and the cheese only went for like 5 of them, child. I didn't feel like grating nothing else. So you're gonna make sure you seal it good, because if it open in the pot, you're gonna have a whole mess while it's frying. So make sure you're sealing it good, and you're gonna flip it over and make sure you seal the other side too. So not just one side, both. Double it, shorty. So I'm just making sure that it's not gonna come out and none of the ingredients gonna open while I'm frying it. So that's what's happening right now. And don't judge me out. I don't got no rolling pin, so I was using my little cup. It worked just fine. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do here. I'm showing y'all me sealing them, and y'all going to see the next steps. Hey. Put that back. Hold on. Honestly, I feel like jamming out to your favorite songs while you cooking make the food taste better. Like, that's how you know it was made with love.
On some DMX shit, I group on my exes. I tell them they belong to me, that goes on for forever. And I think we just get closer when we not together. You tell me that I'm confusing, more immature than Marcus Houston. Cuts too deep for a band-aid solution. We too deep in this thing, you never lose me. LOL, I'm glad you find this shit amusing. Heard a lot about me before we started off. I know you heard of my pool parties like Mardi Gras. I know you heard of my girl is sponsored by Audemars. That's why she always correcting me when my time is off. And my house is the definition of alcohol and weed addiction. You got a different vision. You wanna walk around naked in the kitchen without running into one of my niggas. That's not the way we living. Too much going on, it's just not realistic. These days I don't talk about them days like I miss them. And you shouldn't miss them either, we different people. But every time we speak it, it's like a lot of games being played. How's it going down? It's on till we gone, and I got to know now. Is you with me or what? Yeah. It's like a lot of games being played. How's it going down? It's on till we gone, and I got to know now. Is you with me or what?
Okay, y'all. So if you know, empanadas be looking mad ugly, but this is it so far. I got 2 more in here and 1 more waiting to get in the fire. So yeah. Yes, sir.